I guess he woke the kids up and they was non-responsive.
Blake Bonds describes his brother Michael Johnson as a hero. He says Johnson was disoriented but was able to rescue his 6 children, ages 3 to 17, as the home they were renting filled with carbon monoxide.
So what he did, probably open the windows and pull them all out the house. Matter of fact, saved the lives of his kids, yeah.
Milwaukee firefighters and We Energies crews responded and police secured the property.
MFD went inside and noticed that the carbon monoxide levels were extremely high and believe it was as a result of a broken water heater.
Police say all of the victims were safely out of the house here on the lawn by the time the first response units arrived. But what investigators found inside the house raised new concerns.
It's a lot of dog feces in the house. It's not livable.
Conditions so filthy, the health department was called in and police expanded their investigation.
Is there any concern about the conditions these children were living in?
We're looking into that.
MADAC was called in to remove 2 dogs from the home, and neighborhood services tagged the property as unlivable. Still, family members were counting their blessings.
Just thank God they're all living here. They're still with us.
Yeah, and back out live now, you can see that the home has been boarded up by the city. I just got an update on the condition of that family from family members here who say that they remain hospitalized, all 9 of them. 8 of them are doing just fine. One of the adults is dealing with some more serious issues as a result of that carbon monoxide exposure. Police have spoken with the family and have also been in contact with the landlord, the property owner, who was not on the scene here this morning. Reporting live near 37th and Ruby in Milwaukee, I'm Kent Wainscott, WISN 12 News.
All right, Ken, thank you.